Hello everyone, myself Professor Pitevle from the Kekewa College of Agriculture Biotechnology Nashik. Today we will discuss on the another topic from the basic zoology. It is the phylum Annelida. This is the contents from this video. The classification, then basic characteristics of phylum Annelida, skeletal system, circulatory system, digestive system, excretion system, reproductive system, nervous system, and last one, evolved characters. This is the first one, classes. It is the phylum classes. First one, Polychaeta class, then Allosomata class, Clitellata class, that is the superclass, third class is a Clitellata class, that is the superclass, and second Allosomata class. In third Clitellata class included Oligochaeta class, second Branchiobdella class or subclass, and third one Hirundinea subclass. The basic characteristics of annelids. Annelid means little rings, distinguished by segmentation and body cavity, range in length from 1 mm to 3 meter, that is the bilaterally symmetrical. Digestive tract, then ability to survive in most environment, possesses three separate sections, that is prosomium, that is mouth part, trunk, and pygidium, that is tail, and next point is a cephalopods. The skeletal system from annelids, it have coelom. It includes fluid filled cavity that separates gut from the body wall. Hydrostatic skeleton, it is column with creates hydrostatic pressure and act as a hydrostatic skeleton. Most primitive skeletal system. The circulatory system of phylum Annelida are the true closed circulatory system. Two main vessels are dorsal blood vessels. Blood moves anteriorly. Second, ventral blood vessel, that is opposite from anteriorly. Aortic arches, that is the hearts, dark expanded structure or either side of the esophagus, only function in pumpkin. Blood from the dorsal to the ventral vessels. Digestive and excretion system. Annelids breaks down organic material to create rich soil, have a mouth that connects directly to the anus without an intermediate stomach, allows annelids to continuously eat and excrete waste down through the skeleton. It is the reproductive system. It is the normally sexual, gonochoristic or hermaphroditic. Asexual reproduction, it is the part of the tail is released which grows into a new organism, that is fission. Sexual reproduction, it is the fluids are transferred from the male pore to the female ovipore. The nervous system, primitive brain, that is the ganglionic mass connected by a ring of nerves to a ventral nerve cord that runs the length of the body, since organs include eyes, taste bud, tactile, tentacles, and organs of equilibrium called statocysts. It is the evolved characteristics. Humans then like annelids have a brain with nerve cord, that is spinal cord. Frogs have a coelom. Annelid coelom contains fluid that creates pressure and act as a hydrostatic skeleton. Frog's coelom contains organs such as the lungs and is where lymph circulates. Arthropods, like insects, are also segmented. You see the image of grasshopper, that is abdomen, head part. The insects have three guts: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. It is the next part is the sea mouse, that is the short, broad, segmented body found in moderately deep water. Dorsal surface has 15 pairs of raised scales. The space between the scales and the body surface forms a channel for the flow of water carrying oxygen. It is 6 to 8 inch long and 2 inch wide. Next example, giant feather duster. It is marine segmented worms attached to the rocks or sand from half to 10 inches long, encased in a transsucculent tube made up of filter particles. About 30 feathers like gills, that is radioles, on each side of their tube for the respiration and the feeding. Covered in eye spots to know when danger is near to the retreat into their tube. Live in group in tide and or near the low tide, in feed or small particles, plankton floating in the water, that is the giant feather duster. You see the image of giant feather duster, and it is always attached to the rock or sand, and it is a marine segmented worms. Then leeches, it is a cylindrical or slightly flattened body with suckers at either end for attaching to prey. Salivary secretion substances that promote blood flow like hirudin can be small enough to enter human body or as big as an adult human forearm. Do not feed very often. You see the image of leeches. It is the cylindrical or slightly flattened body. It have a suckers type. The next is a giant Australian earthworm. It is the largest in 13 feet long, need water so rarely, live moist underground, lay egg that take years to develop, endangered because can't handle human interaction or pesticide etc. That is annual worm with earthworm. The next is a colonial polyps. You see the image of colonial polyps. Is the class from Heterozoa. It is a one-way digestive tract. Prefer mild flow environments but benefit from occasional stronger water flow. It is the round with a mouth, in the middle and a ring of tentacles around the mouth. Tentacles possess cells that sting, paralyze and catch prey. You see image of colonial polyps. Then king ragworm prefer estuarine environment with mud, can grow to 24 inches, sharp teeth that grab and hold on to prey. That is locomotory feet, aid swimming, circulate water, bring food to worm, and it is the predator. You see the image of king ragworm. It is can grow up to 24 inches and sharp teeth that grab and hold on to prey. We are concluded from this lecture video. You know about the class Phylum Annelida, and it includes we are focus or we are discuss on classification, then basic characteristics of Annelida, then we are know about the skeletal system, circulatory, digestive, excretory, reproductive and nervous system of Phylum Annelida. Then you see some examples and evolved characters from the Phylum Annelida. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.